Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you? Colors name English and Urdu. Red. R-E-D red. Red means surakh. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. White means safed. Off-white. O-F-F W-H-I-T-E. White. Off-white. Off-white means halka safed. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Black means स्या. Golden. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Golden means सुनहरी. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow means पीला. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green means सब्ज़. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Purple means jamni. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue means nila. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink means gulabi. Navy blue. N-A-V-Y. Navy. B-L-U-E. Blue. Navy blue. Navy blue means gehra nila. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Peach means पीला गुलाबी. Burgundy. B-U-R-G-U-N-D-Y. Burgundy. Burgundy means burgundy. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange means narangi. So, if you learned this video, please like, share and subscribe.